Hello guys! Happy Sunday! So today, I went to Lidl and Home Bargains because I'm lacking with ketchup. But yeah, anyway, I'm back now and I want to show you what I purchased in Home Bargains. But before that, I will also show you Zara because my order is arrived. And supposedly, I don't want to do a haul today because it's Sunday. And at the same time, this one in Zara is so few, just 4 5 clothes only. So but I will just show you, maybe you're interested. By the way, this one is all on sale, so I think this one is £7. So okay, this one, how much original price? I will not buy full price in Zara because it's so cheap. Okay, so this is £40 and I think this is £6 or £7 now. Dress, let's see, I think it's a bit long for me. Okay, maybe long or maybe not, maybe just okay. So they still have many sell and I saw one blazer that I fancy, but I'm not sure because I don't wear okay, anyway, I think someone arrived, so I need to finish too quick. This one from Zara still. This is Poplin Polo. I'm doing haul, Alex. And then this t-shirt, 40 US dollar, 39.90. And oh, okay. What do you think with this flower? Oh, I love roses. I think it looks good, yeah. What do you think, guys? And I bought it so cheap. Maybe £6 or £7 also, from 39 US dollar. Oh, I think I keep it. You know what? If I don't like something, I'll really return it now. Even if I will purchase it just for £5 6. You know, I have a dress that I returned in Zara. It's £5. And to be honest, I'm really thinking, oh, I don't need to return because it's just £5. But I feel like, what's the use? It's £6 £7. It's so cheap, but I will not wear it, so I'll just store it. Oh, this is so big. This is so big. This is small, but it's so big. Oh, this is US size, guys. Even it's small, it's so big. Look at that. Like 2 times, or not 2 times, like a little bit, you know, like that. Yeah, US size is so big. So this is from US. How about this? Is it from the US? Oh, okay. Okay, UK, they have so £30. Yeah, but maybe, I don't know. Comment down below if I should keep it, or I will try it later. And then next is, I think that's it. Yeah, just 4 pieces from Zara. And then this one from Argos. Actually, I have this frame up before, and then after that, after 2 years, it cannot spray anymore. So it's okay because it's 2 years already, you know. It's normal, but I like it. I wanted to buy the flash, but I'm just thinking, is it worth it? Comment down below, guys, if you have a flash and you think it's worth the money. Because I don't know, because this one also you can put something here, cleaner, and it's okay. So yeah, okay. Oh my god, a little like something. Alex, my son is playing. Oh my god, is it broken or not? Oh, okay, it's not. Okay, so like that, you know. Yeah, like that, guys. And you just press this, and this is, and it's just original price of this is £9, something like that, and I purchased it £5 because it's sell in Argos this time. So if you want, check in Argos. Yes, last night it still sell. So yeah, because I have many like this, so that's why I prefer this one. And then in Lidl, guys, they have many plants now in Lidl. I wanted supposedly to go to B&M, but I don't know what happened to me when I'm driving. I saw Lidl, I said, okay, let's just go to Lidl and Home Bargains. So yeah, today supposedly is really for B&M. So maybe just tomorrow I will go. Yeah, because I purchased it because normally this is 12 pound. So yeah, it's so beautiful. Because I have like pink, light pink, blue, and this is I think third or fourth already. Hydrangea. And then this is 99 pence only. Plant support stake. So I think, I don't know if I can use it in my roses or something. Let's see guys where I will use it, but it's just 99 pence, so why not? And then these pots, 59 pence each, because I think I will transfer my monstera to a bit bigger because it's very small I think right now. I think I need to move it from bigger pot. And I also transferred the this one 15 cm pots. This is only 99 pence I guess. And this one, 1 pound something, I forgot. Yeah, so yeah, it's cheaper in Home Bargains compared to B&M for the pots, so that's why I like in Home Bargains. And this is only 79 pence. I bought ketchup, and then for my hair, I do my hair. This is what I use, and it's just $3.99. So I use 2, and then some medicine, and it's cheaper there. And orange. My son grabbed these noodles because he like it, but he cannot eat so much, so I said just 1. Then Strepsil, and then this bio waste bag because we have now for the caddy also. We will start this end of the month. And then eggs, and then this one I use it to clean, for cleaning. White vinegar. And also I grabbed this bandage because we don't have. And then this one, it's 2 pounds something. I purchased this, and I purchased also in Lidl. In Lidl just 2 pounds, so it's cheaper in Lidl actually, but I went to Home Bargains first. That's why I purchased this, because if not, if I went to Lidl, I will go to Lidl first. So yeah, I'm so happy for my groceries today. And I did upload also a grocery haul. I went for a ketchup only, and then I purchased so many things in Lidl, which is worth 77 pounds. So I don't know why, what happened, we don't have ketchup anymore. So yeah, so this one definitely I will return it because it's too big for me guys. So yeah, that's the end guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Bye guys.